Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your likes, thank you for your comment, thank you for your subscription. Please, if this is your first time of stopping by, kindly touch on the subscribe button to subscribe and also click on the notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever I upload new video. In today's tutorial, we are going to be looking at how to make a spiral, and I will be making use of fishing line. This is the biggest size of fishing line. I also make use of organza. This is bell organza. Okay. First, I'm going to be folding the hem part of the organza. Okay, this is it. I've finished folding the two hem side. So the first step is to fold the organza a little. The way I'm doing it, I will fold a little, run a stitch on it. So after that, I will still fold another one, run a stitch. I am done sewing the first line. You can also achieve this with another method, that is sewing this alongside with your fishing line. Just as you are folding this now, you put your fishing line inside, run a stitch on it close to the fishing line. Or you can do this method. This method is after stitching this, I will insert the fishing line one after the other. You can also use the smallest boning to achieve this. It depends on what you want, and you can also give space like 1 inch, ½ inch before you sew the next line. It just depends on what you want to achieve. If you want it to be close, you can use this my method. I'm not giving space. But if you want it to be spacious, you can use 1 inch or ½ inch, 2 inches, 1.5 inches, depending on what you want. So I will continue sewing till I finish the organza that I have. I'm done sewing this. So next I'm going to insert the fishing line one after the other. You have to be patient with this. So after inserting the first line, I will insert the second one, then all through. I am done inserting the fishing line. I use 1.5 years of organza to achieve this. Thank you for staying till the end of this tutorial. If you are yet to subscribe, kindly touch on the subscribe button to subscribe and also click on the notification bell to get a notification once I upload a new video. Thank you. Love you guys. Bye. See you in my next tutorial. Be good.